Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Philippines? Thailand, Thailand. Are you from Thailand? Please remove it. Please remove it. What is your name? What is your name? Your name, please. Your name. You cannot speak English? You cannot speak English? Fluent.
My name is Bo.
Yeah? This is
My
Zakaria
name
Hussain.
Bo.
Zakaria Hussain.
Thailand. Thailand.
How many kids? How many kids do you have? How many kids do you have? You don't have any. You don't have any kids. Really? Oh. Okay. Have you any problem on ice? Have you any problem on ice? Ice. Nice. What time is it now in Thailand? What time? Time. What time? Oh, okay. Actually, how do you spend your free time? Most of the free time, how do you patch your every single day? Within 24 hours, how do you patch? You cannot speak English? You don't understand me? You don't understand me clearly? Can you speak English a little bit? Little bit you can speak English. Yeah?
Ba này nào nhưng mà
Actually, I don't understand.
ba đi ba gì bò
Hi. Yeah.
sa ba gì mày
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
ba
Age.
gì mày
Your age. How old are you? I'm 30. What is this? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ý. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, you are very mutual person. Very mutual person.
Thank you.
Actually, you can speak English a little bit. You can speak English. A little.
Yes.
Oh. Actually, I practice English every single day in this platform. In hand, you are watching a book. A book you are watching in hand. Basically, I am private teacher. I practice English in this platform. Yeah.
Bye.
No. Give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. No. 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Really? 5 minutes. Accept. PK. Accept. Actually, you are so much funny. Actually, you are so much funny. Yeah, really. Do you live in Bangkok? Bangkok City? Do you live in Bangkok? Bangkok, Bangkok. Do you live in Bangkok?
Hmm?
Bangkok City?
Hmm?
Oh, actually, please tell me how many kids? How many kids do you have at present? Two, three, four kids. You have how many total kids? How many total kids? You don't understand. You don't understand me clearly. Actually, in our country, Bangladesh, summer season, hot season in our country, Bangladesh. But what is your season? What is your season
Yes.
in Thailand? Hot, so much hot, so much hot. Oh, can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance a little bit? Dance. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Are you taking rest alone? Are you taking rest alone in the house? Taking rest alone? Are you taking rest alone? Really? Okay. Have you used lipstick? Have you used lipstick? Okay. So please share me. Actually, how old are you? How old your original age? Please tell me your original age. Are you 35? Are you 35? Please sleep. Sleep on the sofa. Sleep. Sleep. But why? But why? You can sleep
เดี๋ยว
easily.
วันหลังจะเรียนภาษาอังกฤษ
You can
เดี๋ยว
sleep.
วันหลังจะเรียนภาษาอังกฤษด้วย
You can sleep easily on the sofa. Yeah. You can sleep. Please sleep. On the sofa, sleep. Uh, Actually, I am extremely sorry that you can speak English a little bit. You can speak English a little bit. Yeah, really?